Avere I peli sulla lingua is an Italian idiom. It means to speak your mind frankly and honestly, or not to beat around the bush. The phrase literally translates to have hair on one's tongue. The idiom conveys the idea of being straightforward and not holding back when conveying thoughts or opinions, even if they are harsh or unpopular. It suggests a person who is not afraid to say what they think. It is used to describe someone with an open and honest communication style, which is a common characteristic in Italian culture. This can be both a compliment or a criticism, depending on the context, but it usually implies a lack of filter in speaking. Carlo non ha I peli sulla lingua, dice quello che pensa. This translates into Carlo doesn't have hairs on his tongue, he says what he thinks, which means Carlo is blunt and doesn't hold back when speaking his mind. Now you know. Contact us for more information.